Hi, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a cat box cover out of a box that I have in my closet right here. Here it is. Alright, so we start with our nice new box, and you want to tape up the top of the box. Make it nice and strong. Alright. Or tape the bottom of the box for that matter. Okay, you want to tape the edges so the cat litter doesn't seep through the edges. Okay, tape the other edge. Alright, got it? So now we're going to cut a hole in the top of the box. But you want to have a little extra rim on the side. Just cut a hole in the whole top of the box here. Okay, so that will be the top of the cat box. Now you have to open the front door here for the cat. And so you just kind of cut out a front door, not all the way to the bottom. So here we have the front door for the cat. Okay, you with me? And then you have to make your, I call it a flapper. And you want to do it on the side. This is the open side, and this side on the back would be what's against the wall. And so you're just going to make a little flapper here. 1, 2, start on top. Okay, and that's your flapper. You want to have a giant pad here. What you do is you want to kind of fold this piece of tape like this, and then attach it to the front, okay? So that way you have like a handle. So now, once you have it all set up, with your tab on your tape, you simply pull the tab to the top, and using the little clipper, you just flip it shut. And now, this way you have a fully functional cat litter tray holder. Cat goes inside, clean it out this way. When it's time to change cat box, you open this up, and I'll show you how it works in real life. All right? So our cat enters the closet through this slit here, and then he uses the cat box, which is in our nice new box. There's the front door, and out here is a mat, and the mat is in order for the cat to walk on to get into the sticky goo and the little crumbs out of his paws. And then we put this here to block, so he has to walk around to get most of the stuff off his paws. And on the other side, if we open the closet here this way, I'll give a demonstration of how this thing works. Now, first of all, you set up your stool right in front. Now this is kind of at an angle so you can see. We have a little container here. We have our bag for the cat litter. We'll place it down here on the floor. And then what we do is we remove the clip and the little door flap comes down. Now this door flap, as I remove any cat droppings, the door flap will capture the droppings, and so they don't get on my carpet. It's such a nice clean box. Anyway, so you do this, you put it in there, so any kernels, any cat litter that's trapped on top, like up here, will simply slide back into the box, just like that. When you're done, you take the clip, you put it back on, then you shut the door, And then you leave this side open a little bit so the cat can use the cat box. All right, so pretty simple. Thanks. Bye.